how to add the subscribe button on YouTube Shorts. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, if you open the YouTube application and tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner, then click on my channel and open a Shorts video. As you can see, there is no subscribe button at the bottom of the screen. It just says analytics. That's because I'm the owner of this channel and I can't subscribe to my channel myself. I can only analyze the video's performance. However, other viewers can see the subscribe button. If I go back and turn on incognito mode, then search for my channel and try to play a shorts video, you can see that the subscribe button is now there. So basically, the subscribe button is already added to your shorts, only the channel owner can't see it. So that's basically how you can add the subscribe button on YouTube Shorts. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.